Good morning, everyone. My name is Shanilal and I'm from CK Pradat batch. And I'll be talking on the topic hand sanitizer transformation process analysis. First in the transformation process is inputs. Inputs include material, labor, capital, and information. Materials like active ingredients include ethyl alcohol, 96 to 99%, or isopropyl alcohol. Gelling agents like carbomer for gel consistency and gel hand sanitizers can also be used. Humectants like glycerin or propyl glycol are also used. Other additives like deodorants, emollients, hydrogen peroxide, vitamin E, conditioner, fragrances can also be used to increase the productivity as well as quality of the hand sanitizer. Sterilized distilled water is a must in production of hand sanitizer. Labors like skilled technicians for compounding and mixing, operators for quality control process, personnel for packaging and labeling, and management for production scheduling is also important. Capitals like industrial high-shear blenders, automatic filling machines, capping and labeling system, batch tanks, and PLC-operated automated systems are necessary. Information systems like formulation and guidelines from regulatory bodies like World Health Organization, US Food and Drug Administration, United States Pharmacopoeia standards are necessary. Next is the process. Activities. First is compounding. Materials are introduced into the batch tanks. Then is the mixing. Mechanical agitators blend the ingredients until under controlled parameters for control time. Homogenization. High shear blenders ensure the emulsification and consistency of the hand sanitizer. Then filling. Filling. Here the hand sanitizer are filled into the bottles or whatever the containers, and then at high speed. Then capping happens. Capping of the hand sanitizer bottles is the next process. There is the last process called labeling. Labeling can be done by two types: heat pressed or adhesive methods. Process visualization of hand sanitizer production flow is shown in this slide. Raw material acquisition, compounding and mixing, homogenization, filing, capping, labeling, and finished products are the process. Here, the three main part where quality standards, material selection, and packaging types are checked are very necessary. And the most important part here is quality control, where the various tests are happening to check the control of quality of the hand sanitizer. Key processing sites, high-speed operations and filling machines can fill up to 200 bottles per minute. Critical quality controls in process sampling for viscosity and content verification is a must. That happens during quality control. Automated PLC systems help in coordination of filling, capping, and labeling for consistent output. Specialized equipments like high shear blenders ensure agglomerate-free dispersion. Final is the outputs, which we get after the whole process. Final products include gel formulations, spray dispenser, foam products in all hand sanitizer. Byproducts include reclaimed alcohol from excess or expired hand sanitizer. Then is the waste. Waste here is classified as ignitable hazardous waste, RCRA D001. Packaging waste like empty containers are also waste. The waste are prohibited from discharge from down the drains, and special disposable methods are required, which we will see further in the PPT. Operational components. Automated filling machines can operate at high speeds, like filling up to 200 bottles per minute, demonstrating efficiency of modern production facilities. Industrial high shear blender ensure thorough mixing. Batch tanks ensure large capacity at production at one time. Automated filling machines and with the help of PLC controls help in fast production, and capping machines secure caps finally onto the bottles. Safety infrastructure is also very necessary, like safety signs, flammable material handling, training is also required for hand sanitizer production. Labeling system, automated labeling machines, apply product label at fast speeds, or heat press application for durable labeling is also there. Operational components, supply chain and quality control. First, we will see on supply chain and logistics. Sourcing high quality ethanol from reliable suppliers helps in maintaining the quality of the hand sanitizer. Specialized transportation for high grade ethanol requires different fuel tanks like fuel grade tanks and food grade tanks as shown in the image. Inventory management and adapting for fluctuating demand is also necessary. Logistical challenges during COVID-19 were huge, where people had to manage the production at home. Quality control measures, in-process sampling to verify viscosity, alcohol content, and good manufacturing practices are there. Regulatory compliance with FDA requirements for labeling, as well as drug facts and NDC numbers are also required. Impurity testing for methanol and other contaminants is also required. The testing should be as per USP monograms and FDA guidance. Operational components, sustainability and waste management. First of all, the waste classification. Expired or unsellable alcohol based hand sanitizer are classified as ignitable hazardous waste RAD001 due to its alcohol content. Proper disposal for household, it includes household hazardous drop-off locations. Businesses contact local hazardous waste facility. And the final product is waste product is prohibited from discharge down drains or in regular trash. Recycling options, there are various options. First of all, recovery of alcohol from the waste hand sanitizer can then you be used into other products with it must comply with RCR regulations and legitimacy criteria. Then the circular economy approach to waste management. First is production, then is expiration, then is recovery, and then is new products. First, the hand sanitizer is produced. When it expires, then we can recover the alcohol from it, and then we use that alcohol, recovered alcohol, to make new products. Strategic decision in hand sanitizer production. First of all is location strategy. Proximity to reliable suppliers of raw material decrease this distance coverage, as well as ethanol refineries have to be less time catching. Access to major distribution hubs for timely delivery help in managing the time, space, and availability of skilled workforce. And compliance with local regulations help in managing the environment as well as the quality making good. Make or buy decisions. Make approach is either you make the sanitizer at your own facilities or you buy the sanitizer and then bottle it and cap it and then sell it. This reduces the initial capital lurch. Capacity planning. During COVID-19, the requirement for hand sanitizers were high. But nowadays, hand sanitizer capacity is not needed that much. People don't use it that much as they used it during COVID-19. Impact of efficiency. Efficient production helps in reducing cost reduction, quality assurance, and negative impacts. If inefficient process lead to increased cost, higher defect rates, and damage brand reputation. But quality assurance helps in managing the developing the brand image as well as customer satisfaction. Value-added formulations like adding aloe vera, vitamin E, or different fragrances create a niche market so that the quality as well as the brand satisfaction is also increasing. Sustainable packaging. Investing in refillable containers or biodegradable containers help in the managing sustain the environment. Advanced reclamation. Explore advanced process for expired products to minimize waste and create new revenue streams there. In conclusion, as we can see, hand sanitizer production requires specific materials, specific capital, and specific instruments that are very necessary. The final waste products can also be managed effectively and nicely as long as you maintain the product. Thank you very much.